Ready to unleash your creative potential and supercharge your workflow? Welcome, creatives, to a world of limitless possibilities with Adobe Creative Cloud. Let's dive into the numerous advantages its membership offers to elevate your projects. First, you gain access to a library of industry-standard applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and many more, all right at your fingertips. These applications download and update seamlessly, ensuring you always have the latest features and bug fixes. Think of it as having an entire creative studio, constantly evolving, available directly on your desktop. One of the biggest advantages is the amazing integration between the apps. Imagine effortlessly moving between photo editing in Photoshop to creating stunning vector graphics in Illustrator without any complicated file transfers. The seamless transfer of assets and the ability to use the same tools are huge time savers. Creative Cloud isn't just about the tools. It also provides robust cloud storage. Storing your projects online means they're accessible from anywhere on any device with an internet connection. You don't need to worry about losing your work or struggling to access your files. It's all stored safely and securely. This also enables true collaboration. You can easily share files and get feedback from colleagues or clients in real time, no matter where they are located. Imagine being able to fine-tune edits on your phone, tablet, or other devices. Adobe Creative Cloud empowers you to work smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. So, are you ready to unlock your creative potential? Explore the power of Adobe Creative Cloud and revolutionize your creative workflow.